So this is the story of the Modec electric vehicle in 2007. The factory was opened in Binley and Coventry. This is us zooming into it. An amazing place with some amazing people developing an amazing proposition way before so much more that's come along now in electric vehicles. Hello Terry, that's Terry Skellen coming into work. There were so many people from in and around the auto industry who took a leap of faith in coming to work for Modec electric vehicles back in 2006 and certainly 2007 when the factory opened were very much a scarcity, a rarity for sure. And the design of the vehicle, James Dex designed it, I think with in mind the Star Wars Stormtrooper. You can see the little shape of it there, kind of shows you that. This was the facility, lean production techniques we like to tell people, which basically meant we had a very straightforward production line and an assembly process from the chassis, as you can see there, right the way through, putting things together quite neatly, producing vehicles quite regularly. The only problem was not enough people wanted them. That was a real shame because, as you can see, it's something that looks like it's happening today. It was a zero emission, zero tailpipe emission battery electric vehicle with first of all a Zebra battery, sodium nickel chloride. That was an 80 kilowatt hour battery, and then we had a 52 kilowatt hour battery which was lithium iron phosphate LiFePO 4. That was made by Axion up in Scotland. There are some of the folks busy at work, and yeah, there's a finished vehicle almost coming off the end of the line, getting ready to go and hopefully find a customer. There were some great customers, really fantastic people that supported us, that had that confidence in something new. There's a battery popping up inside the vehicle. We could in effect have battery swap on this proposition. We could do that in about 20 minutes. Oh, there's Terry again. And Tesco, UPS, FedEx, Speedy Hire, a number of other places all around UK, mainly in and around London in particular, although we had a few in far-flung areas, certainly a good number in France, Denmark, a few other vehicles. But sadly the shutters, they might be coming up there, but they came down on the vehicle too early really for what we all wanted to achieve. But that's the story of Modec in very brief terms.